For my technology number 2, I'm going to use Screencastify. My standards are 1B, ensure all students have access to the technology and connectivity necessary to participate in authentic and engaging learning opportunities. And 3D, support educators in using technology to advance learning that meets the diverse learning, cultural, and social emotional needs of individual students. This is going to have an audience of my peers because I'm going to teach my Orton Gillingham teachers how to use this interactive lesson plan. Now on Screencastify, you have 5 minutes to tape, which isn't very long. I clicked on that icon, I'm sorry. You go to I want my desktop and I want the microphone open so I can narrate. I hit record. I'm going to ask for the entire screen to be recorded so that way you can see everything. So it gives me a countdown, just like Screencast-O-Matic. So my second slide is read sounds. I have a link to my card pack, and my card pack will come up. And then I have my spell sounds are on the top. That's what we do in this section. I color coded the other ones because we're not going to do spell words yet. And I have my diacritical markings, my read words, where I also have a link to my word list. I have phonemic awareness, so I can do prefixes, suffixes, roots, and base words. I can do phonemic awareness with moving these discs so they could segment words. And then I have my blending drill, which when we do it face to face, we use a card pack and it goes very quickly. This doesn't go quite as quickly. So if I decide that I've made a mistake and I need to stop taping, I click on stop sharing and it'll end recording. And I can either put it in the trash or I can save it. This one I'll put in the trash. And I can delete it. But before I do that, I guess I'll cancel it. I can watch my video like right away. So that's handy because it right away you can start listening to it. You can rename it. Um, and you can't edit it. When I clicked on edit, I would have to pay for the upgrade. So it can't be edited. You can publish to YouTube. You could share to your Google Classroom. You can copy a shareable link. I think it's pretty handy. I spend a lot of times throwing things in the trash, but I think it's pretty handy as long as you don't want to try to edit anything. So you might have use for it if you have older students, but I don't want my students recording themselves like this. I'd rather use some other kind of web site. So I hope this will help somebody. Thank you.